Okay, guys. Good evening, all of you. I hope you can hear me well. Now, I am Udang Hempala, and I am the coordinator of this Smart Grid Research Lab. Now, we are going to organize a series of webinar organized by the Smart Grid Research Lab in the Department of Electrical Engineering, University of Moratuwa. And our main focus basically is not only, doing any, basically not teaching basically, but we are trying to give some sort of the basic idea of smart grid as well as microgrid concepts, while giving some practical aspects as well as doing some sort of project-based use some sort of project-based examples for your understanding, and as well as we are trying to make basically community for the smart grid research as well as microgrid research, where you can share your thoughts as well as you can post your questions for us, and our students, our postgraduate students as well as research assistants can help you in order to to solve those problems as well. It's not, we cannot solve all the problems, but we are trying to make a platform for you to discuss the initiatives of smart grid as well as the microgrids, and as well as the projects going on, and what type of research going on within the universities as well as in international community. Then you will get some idea as well as you will get some sort of practical experience as well during these webinars. And today we are going to basically explain the main objectives of our webinar series as well as basic idea of the Smart Grid Research Lab, and then we'll explain sorry, something happened. Right, I hope you can hear me well, right? Kaushali, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Then basically our Smart Grid Research Lab is of Department of Electrical Engineering, University of Moratuwa, is dedicated for the transformation of conventional power networks to self-healing, interactive and secure smart grids with the integration of communication and information technology, advanced power system operation. Now, this is basically our main theme of our lab. And we are trying to, as I explained previously, converting the current network in the Sri Lankan network into a smart grid is now, we cannot do it within 1 day or within even 1 year. This should be a process where you have to start from some points, and maybe we have to continue this for throughout, maybe 10 to 20 years, maybe, because smart is not, we cannot convert something, a conventional thing into a smart within 1 or 2 days or within 1 year. It should be a continuous process. Therefore, we are trying to give some sort of a platform as well as some forum for the community to understand these areas as well as work in these areas. Then we think that, with that we can achieve the targets of smart grid in 1 day in the Sri Lankan context as well. And our mission of our lab basically to advancement of the intelligent system through original research and system development to cater the needs of power sector and the society. That means we are not going to do more like power system research, because we even in the Department of Electrical Engineering, we have some other research groups who are working on the power system research as well. Therefore, we are our main target basically to use the intelligent systems through original research and system developments to cater the power sector. That means basically use the intelligent systems for development of the smart grid. That means converting the existing power system to a smart grid. And the vision of our lab basically to actively contribute to the technological advancement of the power system sector for the betterment of the quality of life in Sri Lankan society and the sustainable development of the nation by performing well-organized and focused research in the smart grid field. And as you know that our smart grid discussion forum has several areas, as I hope you have seen our flyer as well. I mean, we are starting with basically, even though we call it as a smart grid, we go with this microgrid concepts because we feel that converting the basic or the basic network or the traditional network into a smart grid is very difficult to convert in a normal way. What we are planning is basically, or what we are proposing basically, is just converting the existing networks into microgrid, where then this smart or the smart concepts can be applied to this kind of a smaller grid. Then one day when you connect all these microgrids together, we can convert into or automatically it will convert into a smart grid. Otherwise, if you take the bigger network and if you are trying to convert into smart grid, it will, that project will not be sustainable because the cost, the financial is not viable because it's become a huge cost. Right? But if you look at the microgrid context, then this network is very small. Then where we can develop the network or convert into a smarter microgrid. Then as it is small, then the financial barriers may be less. Right? Therefore, we start our webinar series or our discussions starting with the microgrids. Then if you look at the microgrids, we are going to discuss microgrid planning and designing, microgrid protections, microgrid controlling, microgrid modeling, and multi-microgrid set system. That is basically once you develop the microgrids, you can connect, as I explained previously, you can connect microgrids together and can form basically a network microgrid. Then once you connect network microgrid, then it becomes a little bit bigger grid. Then it's something like a smart grid. And each webinar series presented by our lab focus on starting with introduction to the topics and overview and background knowledge, and we are going to discuss some examples with you, and as well as practice problems for the participants, right? And modeling with the MATLAB. It's initially we focus with MATLAB, but we are not going to use only MATLAB in future, right? It's depend on the requirements. We can use different softwares available, right? And discussion on related practical implementations, as well as the important thing is we are going to make a Q&A forum on a separate web platform for participants. And I am the coordinator and in the lab. And we have in our lab, we have postgraduate students as well as few alumni in the past students basically. And currently we have Jeevandara, Borlas, Kaushali, those are research students. And Aludge, Taruka and Eranga. And we have Anjana and Nainajit and Ms. Disanayaka and Charit, Disanayaka Dinesh and Yashoda Sevandi. And we have alumni, basically few of the alumni, they have already completed our research. And this is our physical, we are going to get a microgrid in future, and the physical layout is something like that. We are getting few load emulators and line emulators. And in few of programmable inverters, as well as some AC load emulators, as well as some DC load emulators, and few solar panels, solar systems, including battery storage. We are going to get this microgrid, and now the process is ongoing, and within maybe next couple of months, maybe before end of or before start in the next year, we will get this microgrid research lab basically for the in the Department of Electrical Engineering. Then currently we are doing the research basically in virtual platforms or basically using simulations environment, but in from 1st of January, I hope we will get this hardware components as well. Then we can, or if you are, the students or the participants, if you are willing to join with us, you can practically apply your algorithms or your results to this platform and see whether it is working in a practical environment as well. And as I explained previously, we have and we have developed some sort of platforms. Basically this Reddit platform can be used for the discussion. And we have, anyway, if you are not familiar with Reddit, and you can use the Facebook as well as ResearchGate, as well as the LinkedIn, as well as our Gmail is here. We will share these things with you, and during the presentations through the chat box, we will share these links with you. Then what you can do is you can basically join to these groups, and if you have any questions, you can post to us. Right, with that, I will hand over these presentations to Kaushali to present the basic smart grid and the microgrid presentation. Kaushali, it's over to you. You can share the screen.